Assalamualaikum. Good evening. I make live because I have a tax for mates, okay? Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Assalamualaikum. Good evening. كيفك كله تمام كويس? Good evening. Happy New Year. Advance Happy New Year to all. Assalamualaikum Muhammad. Alaikum assalam Muhammad. Masya Allah. Muhammad. Good evening. Daalan. Asimra. Masya Allah. Dan. Assalamualaikum Islam. Waalaikumsalam. كيفك كله تمام كويس؟ Assalamualaikum Mulol. I want to read your comment, okay? Thank you to watching me, okay? Assalamualaikum. I'm so happy. Last night I received a new 5 endorsement. Na-held po sa napakagandang hotel, napakasikat na hotel dito sa Jeddah. Sa Ritz-Carlton po, doon po ako lumakad ng carpet. And I'm very so happy kasi they trust me. Alhamdulillah, and I got money, but Alhamdulillah, this is a blessing for me. That's a blessing for me. That's endorsement, okay? But I cannot upload here and also in my TikTok because my husband knows that system. You can see the Sarah company my videos, okay? There in my video, the one who uploading my videos when I was walking, and the carpet, a very expensive, very nice carpet, and a red cartoon. My husband is so happy for me. Napayak si Mister, siya pang umiyak, ako hindi ako umiyak kasi nakikita niya yung paglakad ko na hindi ko pwede itong i-upload. Napakagandang abaya po yung nilakad ko na abaya, mashallah, very expensive abaya. Hindi ko ma-upload dito po kasi nakaano po sa company na yun. Ayaw ko mag-upload ng mga endorsement ko, baka maano po ako, delikado po kapag wala kang anong tawag doon, system here, if you don't have a license for plugger, and you can pay 30,000 riyal, okay? Kaya hindi ko po i-upload. Gustuin ko po i-upload dito. I'm so happy kasi lumakad po ako ng very expensive carpet po. Ang daming tao po, puro Saudi po. Ang akala po nila ay Saudi po ako, hindi po. Thank you po for Madam Sarah Aziri po for your trust, okay? She's very happy for me kasi naglakad po ako ng napaka ano po, inano ko po yung abaya nila, napakaganda po yung panglakad ko, kaso lang po hindi ko po dito ma-upload, okay? I'm so sorry, I'm so happy kung ma-upload ko dito, kaso lang po ayaw ko payagan ng kumpanya, at saka po yung si Mr. po, lalo pa si Mr. po kasi they protect me, okay? Assalamualaikum, kefek fi Saudi. Assalamualaikum, please show your face, no? Habibi, you can see my reels. I have a face to open, okay? But here I cannot open because I'm going out. Assalamualaikum, Junaid, what's your country, ma'am? Jeddah. Ana hina Jeddah. Mashallah, Riyadh. Mashallah, I'm here in Jeddah. I'm so blessed kasi po I'm so happy may binigyan po ako ng regalo ng Sarah company po, mashallah. Napakamahal po na abaya. Ang isang abaya po ay 1,700. Yung isang abaya po na binigay sa akin, at saka iba pa yung endorsement po na binigay sa akin kahapon. Alam ba ninyo yung naglalakad ako, napaiyak si Mister? Naglakad po ako na napakagandang carpet po na just 5 minutes po naglakad po ako sa abaya ng Sarah company. Kaso lang si Mr. po ay napaiyak sa akin. Hindi ako umiyak, kaso lang napaiyak sa akin. Sabi na, very proud si Mr. sa akin kasi po nakita niya yung ano ko, pinaghirapan ko, nakilala ako sa TikTok. Ang TikTok po ay marami po akong buzzers at marami din nagmamahal sa akin, okay? But I really accept, kahapon po naging just uploading new one video po, naka 1.8 millions today. Just last night po uploading one video on TikTok, 1.8 millions. I got a new millions again. Marami pong ano coming millions inshallah, because I have more buzzers and more they hate me and more loves me, not all, okay? I need to accept everything kasi ganito po kapag nakilala ka na sa ano, kilala po ako sa TikTok, okay? Doon po ako nakilala, doon po ako nakakakuha ng endorsement po sa TikTok. Dito po sa Reels hindi po ako kilala, bagwan po ako sa Reels, okay? And thank you to all. I'm very happy to my Blaze today. Happy New Year to all. We love you guys. Keep going po. Enjoy lang natin ang Reels, okay? If you're not monetized, go lang tayo po, okay? Marami pong nag-PM sa akin, nagbigay ng gift. Almost Saudiya po, especially po those, my best friend Sarah. Thank you Habibi to your love and care. They are happy po, all my friends Saudiya. Napaka happy po sila sa akin anong natanggap ko na blessing. And thank you to Habibi, Sarah, Arsharif, I love you guys. And Dr. Sarah Alu TV, thank you so much to here to protect me, okay, and to love me, all my videos in TikTok, mashallah, alhamdulillah. And I will read this, okay, Madam, can you understand to job, please? Now today is no, just a local po ang kumukuha po ako sa local po, I just